more than 100 can work well under pressure without losing control in a professional, diplomatic, and tactful manner, able to coordinate and focus efforts of others, positive motivator, mentor, and delegator. As a former captain in the Philippine Marine Corps, he held various positions of increasing responsibility in combat and intelligence operations, training, field supervision, administration, and logistics. He has a combined administrative and field experience in budgeting, reporting, resource allocation, counseling, and conflict resolution. Excellent performance in liaison affairs, negotiations, problem solving, crisis response and management, emergency, special operations, security operations, and training, surveillance, and interagency relations. As the founding president of the Samahang Magdalo Incorporated, a non-government organization, he organized chapters all over the country and even abroad, and expanded membership to almost 300,000 in 4 years. He supervised the conduct of various community activities, which redounded to the benefits of the ordinary citizens. Yours, chosen speaker, is a current member of the 16th Congress of the Philippines, representing the sectors of former and retired members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Urban Poor, and the youth. He serves as Vice Chairperson of the Committee on National Defense and Security and member for the majority on the Committees on Food Security, Housing and Urban Development, Peace, Reconciliation and Unity, Public Works and Highways, Reforestation, Veterans Affairs and Welfare, and Youth and Sports Development. Dear graduating class of 2014, your speaker, your commencement speaker, Magdalo Party List Representative, Honorable Gary C. Alejandro.
Please be seated. Thank you very much. Tapos na, ganap na. Original na wikain ni Cristo sa matatagpuan sa Banal na Kasulatan, Kapitulo 19, versikulo 30 ng Aklat ni San Juan. Kung napagtagumpayan niya akuin ang kasalanan ng sanlibutan. Pahintulutan niyo ako na nakabigyan ng kakaibang hulugan ng mga katagang ito nang may kinalaman sa pagdiriwang na itinaraos natin ngayon. The illustrious members of the Board of Justice, led by its visionary president, Dr. Claribel Binwasan, Dr. Arnolfo N. Castillo, VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Roselier Del Lloro, VP for Finance, Pastor Edwin Carpio, VP for Student Services, distinguished members of the faculty, the scholarly mentors, not necessarily tormentors of the young disciples of this venerable higher educational institution, the proud parents, and other family members, the members of the graduating class of 2014, who will help propel this country to greatness. Again, friends, guests, ladies and gentlemen, Masantos, yung kapuasan ay sikayo namin. Better yet, naimbang at daw katayo amin. Kung dati-dating pagdaling ay isang mataling na tingin sa nakapalit simula sa professor, ang late sa trabaho ay maaaring maglagay sa inyo ng washing machine na di man lang nag-dryer. mas masaklap, ay maaari itong magdala sa inyo bilang kaparte ng statistika ng patuloy na paglobo ng unemployment rate ng bansa. But with the well-studied and carefully planned education made for you by the Northern Luzon Adventist College, by nurturing you in a Christian way of life and preparing all of you to become servant leaders who are competent, committed, and consecrated to the service of God and humanity, how can you go wrong? Palakpakan naman ninyo ang inyong eskwelahan na siyang tumulong humugod sa inyo Ngayon din, inaanyayahan ko ang inyong mga opisyales at maging ng mga guro na nagpagal upang kayo ay magabayan sa pagtahak sa tuwid na landas at hindi po palakpakan sila. At siyempre, makakaligtaan niyo pa ang inyong mga magulang, ang ating mga kapuso, kapamilya at kapatid na naging karamay natin sa tuwinan. Iparamdam din natin sa kanila ang kaus-pusong pasasalamat. Palakpakan po natin. Dear graduates, as you enter greater and fiercer battles ahead, may you remain committed and dedicated to the guiding principles of faith, truth, and love, which the Northern Luzon Adventist College nurtured and shepherded you forth. You must be proud that NLAC is your school. It is one of the finest in the country. Nabalitaan ko na maliban sa marami na nitong accomplishments, top 1 sa buong probinsya ng Pangasinan sa Teachers Board ng NLAC. Number 2 naman ito sa buong Region 1. Ang galing ba? Kung alam ko na lang na ganito magaling ang school na ito, baka dito rin ako nakapag-aral. Kasi naman, dito ako sa bago at dito ako nakapag-aral. Kung umahala kayo sa ibang mga kolehiyo at mabaktasan dahil sa kanilang kasikatan, huwag po kayong mangamba at mag-aalinlangan sapagkat ang kasikatan kanilang tamo ay hindi naman basta na lang sunod. Ito ay produkto ng mahabang panahon ng pagsisikap at pagpupunyagi ng mga tagapagasiwa ng mga institusyong ito na mas lalong pinatibay na ng mga tagumpay ng tamo ng mga alumni nila sa mga profesyon at vokasyon kanilang pinili at minahal. Ganon din sa inyo, ang ikaangat ng NLAC ay nakabatay rin sa kung ano ang kahilinatnan ng inyong mga pagsisikap. Kaya naman, hinihimok kayo ang lahat na patuloy ninyong paghusayan ang inyong piniling profesyon. In the Christian values and nurtured in collegiate education. Hindi na pwede yung vacate. Dapat bawat hakbang ninyo ay masusin ninyong pinag-iisipan. Hindi pwede ang patsamba-tsamba. Kinakailangan patuloy ninyong dinain ang inyong isipan habang pinatahak ninyo ang inaasahan ninyo at pangarap sa buhay. Kaya na, ang inyong lingkod, Congressman Gary Alejano bilang kinatawan ng Mandalo Party List, ay patuloy na itinataguyod ang advokasya para sa inyong mga kabataan dahil lubos ang aming paniniwala na kabataan ay siyang tunay na pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya naman sa Kongreso, patuloy natin isinusulong ang isang youth-oriented legislative agenda na kung saan pangunahin ang inyong interes at kapakanan. Di tayo magsasawang ipaglalaban ang inyong kinabukasan. Kaya naman, malinaw sa aming legislative agenda para sa kabataan, lalo na sa aspeto ng edukasyon, paglikha ng mga trabaho, at pagkalinga sa kalikasan. Isang masigasig na pagkikibaka para maging bahagi ng pangkalahatang pagsisikap tungo sa isang katarungan, makatao, payapa at maunlad na lipunang kumikilala sa kapangyarihan ng umay kapal at nananalig sa pag-asang hatid ng ating pinagsama-samang lunas. Muli, sa ngalan ng Mandalo Party List, maligayang pagtatapos sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw.
On the party is Philippine House of Representatives. In grateful recognition of his honored presence as guest speaker of the commencement of the collegiate graduating class 2014 with the theme Effulgent Eminence. Given this 24th day of the March 2014 at the Aguinaldo Bolinao Hall, Northern Luzon Adventist College, Artatis in Pangasinan. Time by our Vice President, Student Services, Pastor Edwin D. Carpio, Vice President for Finance, Dr. Roster P. De Oro, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Dr. Adolfo N. Castillo, and our President, Dr. Claribert N. Binwasan.